Industry and industrial geography. So today's chapter in geography is industry and industrial geography. So quickly you go and subscribe this channel for daily important lesson for all geography. Industry is one of the most important aspects of human life. It is directly linked to economic development, employment, and the standard of living. Industrial geography is a branch of geography that studies the location, distribution, and organization of industries across the world. It explains why certain industries are found in specific regions and how resources, labor markets, and other factors influence industrial development. In simple terms, industry is in any activity in which raw materials are processed or transformed into useful products or goods. Industrial activities are essential for producing goods that people need for daily life, for trade, and for national economic growth. Industrial geography, therefore, focuses not just on the industries themselves but also on how geography affects industrial location and growth. So, the definition of industry and industrial geography. Industry. What is industry? Industry refers to the systematic production of goods and services using labor, machines, and raw materials. It includes all the processes by which products are made, assembled, or processed for consumption. Industrial geography. Industrial geography studies the spatial distribution of industries and the reasons behind their location. It considers factors such as natural resources, labor, transport, market, capital, technology, and government policies. Industrial geography helps to understand why industries develop in certain areas and not in other. So the importance of industries. Industries are very important for economic development and society. Some reasons are employment generation. Industries create jobs for people, reducing unemployment, economic development. Industries increase production and contribute to the country's GDP. Infrastructure development. Industrial growth encourages the building of roads, ports, railways, and energy facilities. Export promotion. Industrial goods can be exported, bringing foreign currency into the country. Improvement in standard of living. Industrialization provides people with better products, facilities, and income. Urbanization. Industries encourage the growth of towns and cities around industrial hubs. Now we will talk about the classification of industries. Industries are classified in different ways depending on the raw material, size, ownership, and purpose. So the most common types are, first is primary industries. Primary industries use natural resources directly. So these include agriculture-based industries like sugar, cotton textiles, jute. Mining-based industries, iron and steel, aluminium, cement. Forestry-based industries, paper, furniture, plywood. Fishing-based industries, canning and processing of fish. Second is secondary industries. Secondary industries involve processing raw materials into finished products. Example, automobile manufacturing, textile mills, electronics, chemical industries. Number three is tertiary industries. These industries provide services rather than physical goods like banking, insurance, transportation, tourism, education, and healthcare. Number four is quaternary industries. Quaternary industries are knowledge-based and focus on research, IT, and information services like software development, scientific research, consulting, education, data analysis. Number five is cottage and large-scale industries. So cottage industries, small scale, often run at home with local resources like handicrafts, pottery, or weaving. Large-scale industries use modern machinery, large labor force, and produce goods for national and international markets like steel plants, automobile factories. Now, the factors affecting industrial location. Industrial location depends on several geographic, economic, and social factors. These include, first is raw material. Industries often locate near raw material sources to reduce transport cost. For example, steel plants near iron ore and coal deposits like Jamshedpur in India. B is market. Industries need consumers. Some locate near cities or large population areas to reduce transportation cost of finished goods. Like food processing industries are often near large cities. Number three is labor. Availability of skilled and unskilled laborers attract industries. Let's say textile mills in Mumbai historically benefited from cheap labor. Number four is transport. Good transport facilities like roads, railways, ports, airports reduce the cost of moving raw materials and finished goods. For example, industries in Western Europe developed along rivers and railways. Number 5 is capital. Industries need investment for machinery, infrastructure, and labor. Areas with good access to banks and investors are more favorable. Number 6 is government policies. Industrial policies, tax incentives, subsidies, and special economic zones attract industries. For example, IT industries in Bangalore, India benefited from government support. Number 7 is climate and topography. Certain industries need specific climates. For example, textile industries require moderate climate. Tea and coffee industries grow in hilly regions. Now, the major industrial regions of the world. Industrial regions are areas with high concentration of industries. Some of the major industrial regions are Europe, Ruhr Valley, Germany, coal and steel industries, Manchester, Liverpool, UK, textile and cotton industries, Lombardy, Italy, machinery, textiles, automobile industries. North America, Great Lakes region, USA, steel, automobile and machinery industries. New York and Boston, financial services and marketing. In Asia, Japan, electronics, automobile and shipbuilding. China, Pearl River Delta, manufacturing electronics and textiles. India, industrial belts include Mumbai, Pune, textiles or chemicals, Kolkata, Jamshedpur, steel, heavy industry, Chennai, Bangalore, automobile and IT. For other regions, Russia, Ural Mountains, mineral-based industries, Brazil, Sao Paulo, food processing or automobiles or textiles. So major industries in India. India has a variety of industries due to its abundant natural resources, labor availability and government support. Some major industries are: first is textile industry, one of the oldest industries in India. Major centers are Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Surat or Coimbatore. Number 2 is iron and steel industry. Uses iron ore and coal as main raw materials. So major centers are Jamshedpur, Rourkela, Bhilai and Durgapur. Number 3 is automobile industry, growing rapidly due to domestic and export markets. So major centers are Pune, Chennai, Gurgaon and Manesar. Number 4 is sugar industry, based on sugarcane production. Major centers Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra and Karnataka. Number 5 is IT and software industry, knowledge based. Quaternary industry, major centers Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune and Gurgaon. Number 6 is food processing industry, converts agriculture products into edible products. Major centers are Haryana, Punjab, Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh. Number 7 is cement industry, based on limestone availability. So major centers are Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Andhra Pradesh. Now, what are the industrial problems? Industries face many challenges that affect growth and productivity. First is pollution. Industrial activities create air, water, and soil pollution. Number 2 is resource depletion. Excessive use of raw materials can lead to scarcity. Number 3, labor problems. Strikes, low wages, and poor working conditions are common. Number 4 is transport issues. Poor transport increases cost and delays. Number 5 is competition. Global competition forces industries to innovate continuously. Now, industrial development and sustainable practices. Modern industrial geography, emphasis sustainable industrial development. Industries are encouraged to use clean energy like solar, wind, and hydroelectric. Reduce waste and emissions, implement recycling and circular economic particles, ensure safe working conditions. Sustainable industries balance economic growth with environmental and social responsibility. Now, what is the conclusion? Industry and industrial geography are crucial for understanding the economy and spatial development of a region. Industries not only generate employment and wealth, but also stimulate infrastructure and urbanization. Industrial geography explains why industries are located where they are, how they interact with natural and human resources, and the challenges they face. From small-scale cottage industries to large multinational corporations, industries are the backbone of economic development. By studying industrial geography, students, policymakers, and businesses can make better decisions about location, planning, and sustainable growth. In today's globalized world, industrial growth is not just about production, it's about innovation, efficiency, responsibility towards society and the environment. Understanding industrial geography helps countries maximize their resources, attract investment, and improve the quality of life for their citizens. So you all can go and subscribe this channel for the next geography session.